Please sponsor us. Ano ba? And my room na. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. Hopefully today is going to be a productive day in my life. Pero nag-start naman ako kasi I woke up at 7 a.m. today. We're checking out today and naayos ko na yung gamit ko guys early in the morning, which is usually hindi ko ginagawa kasi lagi akong last minute mag-pack ng gamit. Pero ayun, today is going to be a productive day. I'm manifesting it. I actually woke up in a very good mood today guys kasi pagising ko sobrang ganda ng araw. And I feel like it's just good energy today. Yeah, parang so far wala pa naman akong worries and all. Let me share with you guys my plan for today. So first, of course, breakfast. I'm gonna have breakfast in a bit. I'm just waiting. And I need to edit yung IG reel na film ko kagabi for a particular brand. Then I have to submit a group task for my Bishopma class. Actually, wala pa yung deadline kasi wala nakaset. Pero I'll just do it anyways para matapos na. At 12:45, I have an online class. I also have a 4 p.m. class. After my classes, we're planning to go to IKEA because I really need to buy my curtains na for my room. But yeah, we're gonna have our breakfast first, guys, kasi I'm so hungry na.
Lassie. What?
Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Massage.
Society anymore. It's more of a so-called peasant. Everyone
I've been rolling in bed for the past. Let my body go to shit. What gets me out of bed?
I-film din ako for my IG reel. Tada! This is the setup. Oh, this tripod pala. We got this from Lazada, I think. And I will leave it below. It's so useful. So yeah, this is my setup. Okay, so outfit time. I'm just gonna wear this black tank top. And then I'm pairing it with this black shorts. Yun ang actually hack ko guys. Kung wala kayong masuot, just wear monochromatic looks. When I wanna look put together kahit hindi naman talaga ako nag-isip ng kahit ano sa outfit ko. I'll be pairing it with my sambas. So I'm almost done. I'm just gonna fix my bag for the day. I'm using the version 2 of the classic tote. And a lot of you guys are asking me, ano yung organizer na ginagamit ko for the totes? So I use this one. I got this one from Lazada and super dami kong nalalagay sa loob. So whenever I change bags, I just get this. Ayan. Ganyan yung shape niya. Perfect yung shape niya sa tote. I just have a lot of my essentials. Like itong pink bag. I'm also bringing my mini fan, guys. Never na ito nawala sa bag ko. So basically, tinatapon ko na lahat ng gamit ko talaga guys dito. Kasi kahit anong lagay ko naman, maganda pa rin yung form niya. So there! So I can finally leave. Kasi maayos yung gamit ko. And it's only 9 a.m. y'all. So that's the advantage talaga if maaga nagigising. So this is the full fit check with the bag and sambas. Okay, let's go! mattress is here! Okay guys, so we're inside my room na! Finally! Naset up ko na rin yung curtains. And of course, the star of the show, my new mattress. I got this one from Emma Sleep. Lagi ko nakikita tong mattress na to online. Ito din yung ginagamit na mattress ng mga famous celebrities like Miss Nadine, Miss Chris Uy, and even Small Laude. So I got the Emma Sleep Diamond Hybrid Mattress. To be honest guys, at first I was a bit hesitant kasi it seemed pricey for me. But now that I'm seeing it, and also yung features niya kasi talaga, it's definitely worth it. It's really an investment guys kasi when you think about it, pang long term talaga siya, and every night ako nandito. And what I like about Emma is they offer free delivery nationwide. Meron din silang 100 night trial. So, meron kang chance kung magbago yung isip mo, pwede nyo papalitan. Pero for sure, when you guys get your hands on these mattresses, for sure hindi nyo na siya papalitan kasi guys, super nice ng quality. And aside from that guys, meron din silang 5 to 10 year warranties, installment options. They even have COD guys, which is so convenient. This actually adjusts to your body because of its comfortable foam and pocket springs. And since it's summer now, this mattress actually helps you sleep better. Its design allows heat to escape so you can really stay in the deep sleep phase longer. So if you want to get your own diamond hybrid mattress or get anything from Emma, make sure to use my code YTNicoleT10. That will give you additional 10% off. So super sulit na talaga. Good morning guys, it's another day. It's actually a Monday. It's 10:53 a.m. It's another school day for me. Pero online classes pa rin kami for this week. I have a class at 12:45 pero I'm currently watching. Kita nyo ba? Ayan. Our professor told us to watch this video. It's for my advertising subject. Naantok pa talaga. Kaya ako naka-shades kanina kasi sobrang puffy pa ng mata ko today. Alright, kasi umalis ako ng bahay, I think around 8 a.m. Nag-prepare ako na around 7 a.m. And nagpuyat ako kagabi because I was watching PVL. Late na rin kasi natapos yung game. Meron pa akong 2 hours before my class. So I'm just gonna watch this video. Usually I take down notes using my docs. So I'll open one in a bit. Nakakahiya mag-vlog in public talaga. Wait, I'll show you guys how I usually make notes. Ayan, isi-split screen ko lang guys. Then, yan, habang nanonood, I can just type my notes here. I haven't shared with you guys my schedule pala, no? So every Monday I have 12:45 class and then until 9:15 p.m. ako, which is crazy. Pero okay lang kasi it's a major subject and I really like the prof. So, yung time sa akin doesn't really matter anymore. As long as okay yung prof. And then every Tuesday, meron akong GE dance. I'm so excited because kablock ko doon yung sister ko. So yun, sasayaw lang kami doon. Pero it's K-pop kasi and I believe Dynamite or BTS song yung finals. Ewan ko, lalaruin na lang ata namin talaga ni ate yung subject na yun. I mean, syempre magkaseryoso kami pero it's just that I know it's going to be so much fun kasi kasama ko siya and also some of my friends. Whenever I have classes talaga with friends, sadyang ine-enjoy ko lang. So yun, every Tuesday yun and then until 4 p.m. lang ako every Tuesday. So, bali 4 subjects every Monday and then 2 subjects Tuesday. Yeah, that's my schedule. But anyway, I'll just do this and I'll get back to you guys pag tapos ko na ito gawin. Guys, sobrang sponty na itong gagawin namin. Ayan. Legit nakakatapos ko lang mag-class. Kasi eto kami ngayon. Hola, Ninyo. Hola, Ninyo. Guys, kami na!
눈치 보면서 들어가 할 때 찾아 나머진 바빠 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들 시간만 지나가 자신감 가지고 해와 그냥 천천히 들어가
감사해요. 스님해요. 짠짜마 김치입니다.
So we're here now at Yakiniku again.
Lagay mo doon ikaw yung isa mong kamay.
Scripted naman to, guys. Grabe ka scripted.
Minimalist lang.
It's 3:40 p.m.
3:40 p.m.
Again, my God. I think brand ambassador ka na ng Yakiniku.
Yes. Konti na maging beef na ako. Charot. We really love Yakiniku. This is not sponsored, but Yakiniku, if you're watching this, please sponsor us. Ay, nagpakahawa.
어제까지도 우리는 같이
Din yun.
떠나도 I don't care about it all 어젯밤과 함께 떠난 게는 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아 우리 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아